Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Lily on the violin using an easy method. First, let's ensure you have a comfortable and relaxed posture. Hold your violin securely on your shoulder rest and grip your bow lightly with a flexible hand. This foundational setup is crucial for producing a clear and pleasant sound. We will focus on simple techniques to get you playing quickly. Now, let's find our first notes. The melody of Lily primarily uses the open D and a strings. For the E note, you will place your first finger on the D string. Remember to keep your fingers curved and relaxed. Practice moving your bow smoothly between the D and a strings, ensuring a consistent sound as you transition. This builds a strong foundation for the tune. Achieving a beautiful sound involves good rhythm and bow control. Strive for a steady, even rhythm throughout the piece. When bowing, aim to use about 1/3 of your bow length for each note, keeping it straight and perpendicular to the string. Apply consistent, light pressure to produce a clear, ringing tone. Avoid pressing too hard, which can create a scratchy sound. Finally, let's put all these elements together to play the melody. Connect your notes smoothly, ensuring there are no breaks in the sound. Begin practicing at a very slow tempo, focusing on the accuracy of your fingers and the quality of your tone. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Repeat each section several times until it feels natural and effortless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.